spray your friends. And today is the day where most friends are not getting mad at all when they get sprayed because it's just so hot.
No, that's what you want, actually. And Kevin, for the next couple of days, the splash pad's going to be the place to be for sure.
Yeah, especially tomorrow. I think we'll break the heat wave after tomorrow. Remember, everybody, a heat wave is defined as 90-degree days, 3 of them or more. We're at number 6 for sure. I think today may be number 7. I saw the temperature get up into the 80s, and then it fell with a rain shower that came through. So we'll see in a couple of hours where things ended up. Good afternoon as we look out over the city of Grand Rapids. It is warm and muggy out there, no question, or hot and humid if you prefer. The heat wave will end Friday. I don't think we're going to make 90 on Friday, so that's going to end the heat wave. It's still going to be warm and muggy. Thunderstorm chances coming in here tomorrow, probably about a 30-40% chance, and then about a 60 or 70% chance on Friday. Right now, it looks like we all should see something, and that's good because it's been very dry out there. The fire danger is high. The grass is brown, dried out, and crunchy. So hopefully we get some precip in here. And in the 80s and much lower humidity coming in here for the weekend. Here's what's going on Fox 17 Live Doppler radar. In our area, nothing. You head over to Lansing. There's a little shower thunderstorm out there. And then down into Jackson over towards the Detroit metro area. And off across our location, across Lake Michigan, you have to go over to Rockford to see some more shower and thunderstorm activity. So we may stay dry. For the most part, I think we will. I can't rule out a shower or thunder shower cropping up here over the next few hours. But right now, there's really not much on radar. Current temperatures, 91 up there in Big Rapids and Fremont. We're 87 in Grand Rapids. It looks like the temperatures have come down a little bit. I think they're struggling to get up into the 90s, or at least well into the 90s, because of the extensive cloud cover. I had a high of 95 tomorrow. I just cut it back to 93. Granted, the fact 2 degrees isn't going to make much of a difference, but just trying to fine-tune things. I think the extensive cloud cover and a better chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow may hold our temperatures down just a little bit. So I'm going to cut that down about 93 tomorrow, but heat indices tomorrow still going to be in the mid to upper 90s. Dew point temperatures, once you start getting into the upper 60s to low 70s like you see here, this is the measuring the moisture in the atmosphere. There's a very big tropical feel out there, almost like we're living in Florida. You could feel that stickiness out there. It actually feels like it's well into the 90s out there with the heat index and the humidity. It feels like 95 in Kalamazoo right now, 94 in Fremont, and that's going to be with us tomorrow as well, and then we'll start to drop that off on Friday and beyond. So here's satellite and radar over the last 6 hours. You can see some of these showers and storms just popping up almost like popcorn. A lot of this is driven by the heat of the day. Once the sun set and the energy and the warmth from the sun, once that sets, I think some of these are going to go away here. So our Skycast HD forecast then for tonight, we'll see maybe a chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the next few hours for some of us. Otherwise, clear to partly cloudy. It's going to be warm and muggy. If you don't have AC, it's going to be very tough sleeping weather because there's going to be a very light wind, so you're not going to get any relief from a breeze. 72 for the overnight low. We were 71 in Grand Rapids last night into this morning. Here's the weather setup. Front is draped over southern or northern lower Michigan. The hot and the humid air is in place. This is at 9 p.m. We'll go through the overnight hours. Not much going on. Clear to partly cloudy skies. Watch as this system draws a little bit closer on Thursday. You see these showers and storms percolate up. This is some decent aerial coverage, it looks like, versus the last few days. And then as we get into Thursday night and Friday, this low pressure area and that front get a little bit closer. We're likely to see more showers and thunderstorms, not only in the morning, but then again, probably in the afternoon and evening as this lags behind the front. So fingers are crossed here that we all get in on something. So it's not so bad to get a rain shower or thunderstorm when you need it. That said, not tonight, but for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, we are at the edge of a marginal risk of strong to severe thunderstorms. Winds would be the primary threat. The better threat is going to be off to our west. So we're just on the edge of it now. That's not a big factor right now. I think just the fact that we can maybe squeeze some precip out of the atmosphere would be a good thing. 93 tomorrow, a scattered shower or thunderstorm around the area is going to be possible. That goes into Friday morning. Then a better chance of showers and thunderstorms on Friday, probably a 60-70% chance. 86 degrees there, 86 on Saturday. Less humid conditions. We're in the mid-80s for Sunday and Monday, and then back up around 90 degrees or better for next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, with the humidity returning as well. We'll talk more forecast details in the 4:30 half hour. Derek, Doug?